Hello everyone. So in the last video I told you I was pulling the engine from my M42, and today's the day that it's coming out. I've filmed a couple of clips already, a good few, me dismantling the entire front end, all the wiring harness, etc. But I didn't film an intro for that, so this is the intro for the whole video. And yeah, today I'm getting it up on jack stands, pulling the transmission bolts, engine mounts and engine out, and tomorrow I'm taking it to the garage where I work and gonna start rebuilding it. So yeah, let's get to it, shall we?
Ah. Cute listed.
It took ages, but the starter motor's finally out. Has a guide in here, which was completely rusted, stuck. And it wouldn't come out. Here it is.
Right, we don't ram into the Alright. Right.
Maybe a bit further forward.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's just this thing.
Like this.
I'll pass through it.
Let's make it. Go on flat round.
Bit more even.
Let's make this one. Then we'll just make this. because I need to push the bar.
Where's the bar?
Oh, is there. Danny?
Yep.
This has just gone in absolutely perfect. It must have moved slightly, so I need that bar.
There it is.
My phone is going to have no storage space left.
Yep. Need something, I think.
Let's sink it down and we can take the triangle to the other side, eh?
Yeah. Sink it down, I'd say. So that means I'm tightening this one first.
The engine is officially out.
Yeah.
Right, everyone. So, as you can see, I have cut my hair. I look completely different. This is actually like 1 month after the filming of that video. The engine has been out for a while and I haven't even started rebuilding it yet. So yeah, basically I've got the engine here at my job. It's in like the back room of the garage and well, it's where I'm meant to be rebuilding it. I haven't got any parts yet. I'm still not exactly sure what I'm going to do. I guess you'll have to wait for the next video to find out about that. But yeah, so I'm sorry, this video was a bit more boring than the others. It's just sort of me dismantling stuff. I don't have any talking, anything in it, so it's a bit hard because I was just rushing to get everything out and get that whole issue solved, and so I wasn't really picking up the camera and talking and explaining what I was doing. I just sort of time-lapsed everything, and yeah, that's the video you just watched. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure to stick around for the next one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.